It's midnight. I'm still putting this thing together. I don't understand the directions. Hi guys, me again. Okay, so I'm at the house and I am about to tackle my little walk-in closet situation slash third bedroom that I have going on. So I decided to let you guys watch me do it. I'm actually just gonna, come on, focus, thank you. I just, whatever, you see me on here looking crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pop the camera up somehow and try and organize this stuff because I just have so much crap. Like, it doesn't make any sense why I have so much crap. And I don't take enough pictures. I need to, somebody, I have a few new subscribers. Hi, somebody get on me about like making more fashion content. Y'all need to get on me. I'm gonna get on myself about doing it. I just moved and have a lot of stuff, you know, a lot of organizing and getting stuff together to do, and I have to, you know, furniture to buy and just a lot going on. So anyway, all that said, I need to tackle this room, put that rack down there up, and then try and separate this stuff so there's like a system. Cause like legit, I buy clothes for occasions that haven't come up yet. I buy clothes for like you know, events that I don't have planned. Like just I buy clothes that I like. Like sometimes I buy stuff that just because I like it and like I have nowhere to wear it to. So I need to have I need to set up like an everyday rack, like an events rack. I have a whole bag full of festival clothes. Crazy, insane, but yeah. So I need to set all that stuff up and yeah, let's get to it. I really should look more cute when I come on camera. I need to start putting makeup on. It's like 11 o'clock at night though, so there's that. Anyway, it's been a long day. So hold on, I'll get the tripod and be right back. In her arms, love me too. It's as bad as when you see you gave up too easily. It's midnight. I'm still putting this thing together. I don't understand the directions because they don't really set. I mean, I need to read it. I just like to read the pictures. Usually I can tell from the pictures, but I'm confused. Like, is this metal piece supposed to be like inside here? Because it's really wobbly wobbly. Like, it just almost fell. It's like, ah! Yeah. See, a mess. Oh jeez. Yes, it's the shape is correct. It's supposed to go together and it fits in here to make it more secure. I was like, why is it all wiggly wobbly? Because I wasn't doing it right. I'll be back. I'm probably gonna come back tomorrow. It's getting late. I'm tired. I'll be back. Okay, I lied. I'm actually gonna go ahead and just I lied. Let me just finish it. Over, y'all. This is getting late. I'll finish tomorrow. Hello guys. Okay, so I have a lot of things going on today, but I did finish putting this rack up. It was simple. I didn't finish showing you guys, but it was actually pretty simple once I got to it. So yeah, I have a lot of technicians in the house today doing some different things, setting up stuff. So I may or may not be back, but I do want to put these clothes in this hanger. Maybe I'll show you guys that. Hold on. Hello guys, me again. walking through the house. Just don't judge me. There's stuff all over the place. I'm still moving in. I'm just taking my sweet time. And it's, oh, my skin looks so bad. Oh, I'm gonna do some updated skincare stuff. Look at that. See? Ugh. This is why people with problematic skin are the best ones to do skincare videos, because we can see how we go from this to whatever's coming up next. Anyway, so I think I started off showing you guys I was in my little walk-in closet room, which looks, it's coming together. It's coming together. I have a lot more space than I thought. So I have lots of racks up and still lots of stuff on the floor. But I was able to hang up all my clothes, and this is what I wanted. Now I can walk in here and see what I have, you know, reach around, see what I have, put together outfits. I even have my little like backdrop setup going. So yeah, these are all the, this is the room. It's not finished, it's just like everything's off the floor and hung up for the most part. Some of the stuff down here is like, I have a whole bag full of festival clothes, which is this bag, and this is a festival jacket. So, and I have like winter stuff which needs to go into that closet, which the closet is empty because the closets on this house are very small. The closets in this house are very small, so they're pretty much useless. Like, not really, I'm just dramatic. They're just, you know, if you don't have a lot of clothes, because you don't really need a lot of clothes, but I have a bunch of junk, and or you know, it's good for your day-to-day type of wardrobe. Anyway, rambling. So yeah, so this is the room, just to show you everything's up. This is the next project we're working on. The rooms are small, so everything's on top of each other. But and also, like I said, I'm still moving in, so there's stuff all over the place. But let me give you a little bit of backstory. So I am going to be making over this dresser right here. Angles. Okay, I'm going to be refurbishing it. This is an old dresser, came from my parents' house that I got gross and disgusting, like skincare dried up on here, like just nasty, like legit. This nickel is a nickel. That's a nickel, and it's stuck. I'm moving the dresser, trying to move this nickel off. It's stuck. So, and there's like some candle wax on here. Just gross. It looks like a bunch of dried up shea butter mixed with makeup, foundation. Just disgusting. It looks like, that's not hair glue. I don't know what that is, but just nasty. Just nasty. A bunch of dried up stuff on here, so I'm about to clean this off first. I need to get like some Goo Gone. I have some Goo Gone. I think I have all the stuff I need, so I'm gonna go ahead and start wiping this down. I need to wipe it down. I'm gonna keep it white. At first I was thinking I was gonna do something different to it, but I'm definitely just gonna keep it white and change the knobs. Change the knobs out and keep it white. And I'm probably gonna go over it with another coat of paint. I don't know. I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to. I'm really not a DIY person. I don't enjoy doing DIYs. I don't want to do it, but I'm gonna do it because I kind of want to do this, and I'm gonna start rambling now. So yeah, let's watch me get to it. First thing I'm gonna do is just wipe it, kind of spray it and wipe it down. So I'm just gonna put the bags, the ones on the side, just kind of put it on the side. I'm not actually scraping or scrubbing anything right now. Let's see. Okay, so I finally got my little bit of tools that I need. I just have these like microfiber towels. My camera's about to die, so whatever. And I have some Simple Green all-purpose cleaner. I watched the video. She said to use this. And then I also have this old-fashioned orange, just hand cleaner, but this stuff's like really gritty. It's really old too. I don't know if this is even gonna work, but my dad had it at the house, and I know this stuff is gritty and it can like tack onto dirt and really, you know, get grease and, you know, clean up dirty, greasy surfaces. So here, even though it says hand cleaner, but here's the hoping that it works on this thing. Let's go ahead and get started. I need to change that battery. I'll be back. I'm gonna go ahead and focus on trying to get this nickel off. Anyway, I tried to get that off. This is the candle wax. It's really quite gross. Okay. I don't like buying one. I'm using this pot that I probably won't ever use.